Wow! It's the Nick Jr. vending machine! We can use one of our tokens to vend a friend. Who should we play with first? How about Chase?
Let's roll!
His numbers are 7, 2, 6. We're on the case!
Hang on tight!
Hello, Chase!
Mighty Pups, I have a plan. Mighty Marshall, it's time to go hot dog on those nets. Super idea, Team Leader Chase. Now, Rubble, use your super strength.
No job too big, no pop too small. Mighty Pups, you're on a roll. Mighty Pups!
Mighty Pups are on a roll.
Hey, no more Mr. Nice Robot.
Zuma, make a mini lake in front of him.
A puddle to stop massive me?
Everest, some ice would be nice.
Ice board.
Should've learned how to skate.
Mighty Pups!
Oh, not again! Let's keep playing! Want to find out who the mystery friend is? The mystery numbers are 409.
This is super cool.
Who could it be? It's Bossy Bear!
Phew, I can't believe that worked. I feel bad for tricking him, but whoa! This is like a fun amusement park ride. Okay, now it's like a scary ride. The car's not worth it. I don't want another holographic gummy guardian that badly. Don't worry, Turtle. I'll stop this car right now. Whoa! Whoa!
Let's bring along another buddy. Wanna surf with Zuma? His numbers are 504.
Let's dive in.
Woohoo!
Time to do the wave.
Almost there.
Hello, Zuma.
Zuma, use your sub to search the seafloor for those glasses.
Ready, set, get wet. Oh, oh. Submarine.
Ryder, I found the glasses. A crab picked them up and is clowning around for his underwater bros.
Okay, just move slowly. We don't want to startle them.
Claw.
Just be gentle. Oh, there! How about a trade, dude? You were one clowny crab.
Ready to vend another friend? Let's swim with Baby Shark. His numbers are 952.
Let's do it.
Jawsome! Hello, Baby Shark.
Come on, let's round up our toys.
We better hurry or we'll lose them in the treacherous Rustler Canyon. Watch out! Those cacti are pricklier than a pufferfish.
This isn't a canyon. It's just the living room. And these are just houseplants.
Take a closer look, cowboys.
Well, I'll be. It is a canyon.
Yes, sirree. And to get across, we're going to have to swim very carefully. Careful.
Oh, easy now.
You cowboys won't get past the pillow rock slide. Show 'em, Teensy.
Giddy up! Swim like the wind!
Yeehaw!
Ready for another round? Let's invite Peppa this time. Her numbers are 2, 6, 8.
Oh, goody!
Hello, Peppa.
This is the land of dinosaurs.
Wow!
This is how the world looked a long time ago, before houses and cars and stuff. Here is a Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Ooh!
And over there is a Triceratops. One is a herbivore and the other is a carnivore. Oh, look! They are playing together, just as they would have done.
Amazing. This is exactly as it would have been all those millions of years ago.
Except for the train.
All aboard! There you are again, Miss Rabbit, driving the train. Full steam ahead! Where's it going now?
To tiny modern land.
Clickety-clack, clickety-clack, the train was on the track. Puff and puff, clickety-clickety-clack. This is like where we live, Peppa. Yes, there are houses and cars and hills and trees and trains and planes and boats.
It's a busy world. 24-hour non-stop.
Stop! Oh, it's broken.
No, it's not. Look there.
Stop! It's a tiny little Mr. Bull digging up the road.
Look, it's the Nick Jr. vending machine. We can use these tokens to vend a friend. Who should we play with first? Want to fly with Skye? Let's enter her numbers. 1, 0, 3.
I'm on it. Let's take to the sky.
Possum! Hello, Skye.
Someone grab the harness.
I am the brave one, so Horatio, you go first.
Me? But I'm the courageous cousin. Here, you go first.
Whoa!
Thanks.
One off, one to go. Visor. Those snapping plants are gonna make this tricky.
Must grab the... Whoa!
That dino is going too fast.
Zut alors! Whoa, Dino Bronco! Whoa!
It's okay, Francois. I'll get you.
Let's vend another friend. How about a race with Blaze? 4, 8, 6. All right. He's speeding to the finish line.
Oh, yeah! Woo-hoo! Okay, team. Let's get to work.
Hello, Blaze.
Get ready. More tiger stones rolling this way. How many stones are there this time? 3, right. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! We've almost made it to the top. But to get there, we'll have to get past the most tiger stones yet. How many tiger stones are there? 5, yeah! Go for it, Blaze! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5! We did it! We made it past the tiger stones!
Ready to vend another friend? Let's swim with Baby Shark. His numbers are 9, 5, 2.
Let's do it!
Jawsome! Hello, baby shark!
William, hit it! If you feel like you're stuck in some other fishy's current, remember the ocean can't stop being blue, so why would you stop being you? Watch out, world! Here we come! We're making waves tonight, dancing on water, water, water. It's flowing through me, I can tell. Dancing on water, water, water. Don't need to move like any fishy else. I'm breaking out of my shell. Never felt so much like myself. Shut up! Teeny tiny tap. Make the tardigrades go brrrr. Dancing on water, water, water. It's flowing through me, I can tell. Dancing on water, water, water. Don't need to move like any fishy else. We'll make it waves tonight.
Time to vend another friend. Let's hang with Goby this time. 4, 0, 5, enter. Whoa! He's swimming our way. Fantastic!
Cool.
Hello, Goby.
Oh no! Eli! Maybe this button with the yellow fin on it can grab them?
Hit it.
Got him! Spotty! Hang on! We're gonna pull you back! Our truck isn't strong enough! We need more power! What are we gonna do?
Look! That looks like Eli's mom.
She's so strong!
That's it, boy.
Thank goodness. You're safe now, Eli. Back with your mama.
Let's keep playing. Shall we sail the 7 seas with Santiago? His numbers are 7, 2, 6.
Yeah! Piratas ahoy! Woohoo! Adventure awaits me, hearties!
Hola, Santiago.
Hold on, Kiko. I'm coming! Eso!
Go, Santi! Yeah!
The jig is up, Enrique. Back off or I blow the trumpet. I'd like to see you try. Watch this. That sounds like a bum note to me. Whoa, I'm getting dizzy. Wow! You haven't heard the last of Enrique Real de Palacios. Let's try this. Agua, calma.
Ready for another round? Let's invite Peppa this time. Her numbers are 2, 6, 8.
Oh, goody.
Hello, Peppa.
Grumpy Rabbit has rolled the present all the way to Dr. Hamster's surgery.
What's that
Nice. We've got a present for you, Dr. Hamster.
Oh, thank you. Hey, I wonder what it is.
Why don't you open it and find out?
All right. Oh, that's lovely. What is it exactly?
I just need to fix it in place. Get in and jog.
All right. This is amazing!
It's a hamster wheel.
Yes! Every hamster should have one.
Dr. Hamster loves hamster wheels. Every hamster loves hamster wheels.
Whoa, check it out! It's the Nick Jr. vending machine. We can use these tokens to vend a friend. Who should we play with first? Want to fly with Skye? Let's enter her numbers. 1, 0, 3.
I'm on it. Let's take to the sky.
Possum! Hello, Skye.
Autopilot.
Life friend.
Hang in there, Mama Tiger. Your baby is gonna be fine. Right, Skye?
Roger that, Ryder. Here I come. Hey there, little fella. Ready to take off? Aw, cutest co-pilot ever.
Passenger secure, Ryder. Thanks, Skye. Now you better get out of here. We'll follow. Hang on. Time for a ride.
Hi, Mama.
Achoo!
Whew, close one. Hope I don't have to do that again.
Let's keep playing. Want to find out who the mystery friend is? The mystery numbers are 4, 0, 9.
This is super cool.
Who could it be? It's Bossy Bear!
Gran, a little hop, please. Thank you, Gran. How does she do that?
Ready to skate?
I was born ready.
Skating is really hard. I don't think we'll be ready for the show tonight unless your mom helps us.
We're doing this to impress everyone. How are we going to do that if they have to help us? Now let's get up.
Now, for my 735th attempt to do a spin. I almost got it, and ta-da!
Way to go, bestie. My turn. Why can't I just skate already?
If you want to get better at something, you need to practice.
Let's bring along another buddy. Gaskets! It's Crusher! His numbers are 1, 0, 9.
Whee! Look at me go!
I don't need help.
Hello, Crusher. What are you up to this time?
Oh no! Look, Pickle! It's polar bears in a hot tub!
Don't worry, Crusher. Those polar bears are way down there. And we're all the way up here.
Yeah, you're probably right. I mean, it's not like we're about to fall or anything.
We've got to save Crusher and Pickle before they fall.
Then it's time for a helicopter blazing speed. To give me blazing speed, say, let's blaze! Let's blaze!
Ready to vend another friend? Let's recycle with Rocky. His numbers are 2, 0, 5.
Green means go!
Hello, Rocky!
Adventure Bay, here I come! Green means go!
Okay, kittens, keep on rocking and dropping, and we'll dump the rest of this garbage on the beach. The turtles will never come to this beach now, and soon they'll be headed for Foggy Bottom.
Ryder, the sea turtles are getting closer to the garbage. I've got this, Ryder.
Huh? Rocky? Am I glad to see you?
Me too. But I have the beach to save.
Rocky, how'd you get here? Kittens, launch the garbage!
I don't think so.
I believe this is mine. Okay, Ryder, I've got my tugboat back. The water is trash-free and get ready. The sea turtles are headed to the beach.
Great news and great job, Rocky.
Ready for another round? Want to look for clues with Blue? Her numbers are 4, 9, 2. Hello, Blue.
Welcome to my world of illusion. Hi, I'm Doug.
Greetings, Doug. How may we be of assistance?
I was about to perform an amazing magic trick, but I'm missing some cards from my magical deck. Will you help me find them?
Can we help Doug find his cards? Great! Thanks, Friendo Fabuloso. Lead the way, Doug.
Why, there's one of my cards. The 3 of Hearts.
The 3 of Hearts. Oh, you mean that card over there? We'll just go over and...
Keep your eye on your card. Oh, no! That Joker hid my card. Which one is it?
Which one of those cards was the 3 of Hearts? The first, second, or third card?
The 3rd card. That one.
The 3rd card. Let's see.
Look, it's the Nick Jr. vending machine. We can use these tokens to vend a friend. Who should we play with first? How about Rubble? Let's enter his numbers. 2, 6, 8.
Fantastic! Let's bow wow build!
Hello, Rubble.
Wait till you see this.
Auntie Crane's almost done baking the cake.
Gotta hurry. Let's bow wow build a skate park for Auntie Crane.
Grab it, lift it, move it.
Rubble on the double. Auntie Crane can do some cool skateboard moves on this pipe. After a quick mix-fix, another tool. Full pipe. Half pipe. And done, done, done.
Let's vend another friend. How about a race with Blaze? 4, 8, 6. All right. He's speeding to the finish line.
Oh, yeah! Woo-hoo! Okay, team, let's get to work.
Hello, Blaze.
Dinosaur teams, on your marks. Get set. Go!
Dino Derby! T-Rex and Triceratops!
Swing!
Gonna pull
Ready to vend another friend? Let's swim with Baby Shark. His numbers are 9, 5, 2.
Let's do it!
Jawsome! Hello, Baby Shark!
There's something fishy going on here. And it's not just us.
There must be some fishy out there who doesn't want Vola to skate tomorrow.
But who could it be? There's only one way to find out. Okay. None of us are taking our eyes off this board until Vola's Skatefish exhibition tomorrow.
Right!
A mysterious shadowy figure. Got you now, thief!
What? Vola's rogue tentacle?
Vola, wake up!
What's going on? Did you catch the culprit?
We did, and it's you!
Bump, bump, bum! But how? I was asleep.
Your rogue tentacle is the master criminal we've been looking for.
Let's bring along another buddy. Gaskets! It's Crusher! His numbers are 109.
Whee! Look at me go! I don't need help.
Hello, Crusher. What are you up to this time?
I can finally buy a super skateboard from my Grammy.
Buckle up, astronauts. We've got to hurry and buy that present before Grammy's party.
Time for rocket ship blazing speed!
To give our rocket ship blazing speed, say, let's blaze! Let's blaze!
Like one super skateboard, please.
That'll be 50 truck bucks.
Here you go.
Yeah! All right!
Ready for another round? Let's invite Peppa this time. Her numbers are 2, 6, 8.
Oh, goody.
Hello, Peppa.
Daddy, can I have a go on your skateboard?
Skateboarding is quite difficult, even for a grown-up like me.
Yes, you don't have anything to hold on to.
Please, can I have a go?
Well, maybe Daddy could give you a lesson.
Yes, I think you're just old enough to learn.
Yippee!
It's best to start off slowly, like this.
Daddy Pig is good at skateboarding.
Now it's your turn, Peppa.
Yay!
Put one foot on the board and push with the other.
Well done, Peppa.
And now try it with both feet on the board.
Look at me! Wow!
Well done!
I can skateboard!
Look, it's the Nick Jr. vending machine. We can use these tokens to vend a friend. Who should we play with first? How about Rubble? Let's enter his numbers. 2, 6, 8.
Fantastic! Let's bow wow build!
Hello, Rubble.
Wait till you see this.
Rubble, you're gonna scoop that sidecar out of the bay with your rig.
How will I get there?
By swinging down, connecting to Wildcat and Chase.
Rare! Gripper claws! Rough! Winch! We're coming in hot! Harp! Scoop!
much.
Meow, meow. You're welcome. We kitty cats need to stick together. Now let's go up. Detach! Rocky, special delivery. Gotcha! Yeah!
Ready to vend another friend? Let's swim with Baby Shark. His numbers are 9, 5, 2.
Let's do it!
Jawsome! Hello, Baby Shark!
Super Shark and Captain Kelp on the lookout for trouble.
All's well at the treat shop.
And a flow down.
If you little fishies are ready for the flow down, say yo flow!
Yo, Flow! I live for dance!
Ah, look at that, Super Shark. Carnivore Cove's nice and peaceful.
And we are gonna keep it that way. Superhero montage, away!
Uh-oh, tentacle tangle. Whoa, thank you.
Help! What's the problem?
I need models for my art class. Perfection, my heroes.
My bubballoon! Yay!
Thanks for your help, Super Shark and Captain Kelp.
No, Mr. Clownfish, thank you. Nothing like chum yums after a long day of being a superhero.
Let's keep playing. Want to find out who the mystery friend is? The mystery numbers are 4, 0, 9.
This is super cool!
Who could it be? It's Bossy Bear!
As the unofficial Hollow Hollow Elementary tour guides, Turtle and I would love to welcome Sadiq and show him around our school.
And we'd love to get to know him more.
That's so kind, boys. Thank you so much for offering. But before you...
Excuse us, Miss Elkie. As the welcoming committee, we have a little something prepared. Hit it!
There's a new kid at school, and we think he's super cool. So on your first day, let's say, welcome to your new school. You can join some new clubs and meet some new buds. So on your first day, let's say, welcome to your new school. You'll learn how to read and to write. This school is just plain out of sight. There's so much to learn and to do, so believe us when we say, welcome to your new school.
When did you boys come up with that?
We always have a song and dance prepared.
Ready for another round? How about Chase?
Let's roll!
His numbers are 7, 2, 6. We're on the case.
Hang on tight!
Hello, Chase.
Chase, Alex has beaver trouble. Get to his treehouse fast.
Chase is on the case. Am I glad to see you? They're eating my tree. There? Ryder, I found the other beaver and another other beaver. And they're busy as beavers. Whoa!
I got it. Beavers talk to each other by smacking their tails.
Here goes nothing. We did it! 2 beavers on their way, Ryder.
Ready for another round? Let's invite Peppa this time. Her numbers are 2, 6, 8.
Oh, goody!
Hello, Peppa.
Peppa, George, it would be really lovely if you made Daddy a Father's Day card.
Yes! Here is Daddy. In the garden. In the long grass.
Wonderful. What do you want it to say inside?
To Daddy. You are the bestest Daddy in the whole world. Well done. Kiss, kiss.
lovely.
It just needs one more thing. Glitter!
Oh, I'm not sure it needs glitter, Peppa.
Yes, it does need glitter.
I think the glitter is lost.
Found it!
Someone has put the glitter high up on top of the fridge.
Oh, well done for finding it, Peppa.
Ah, this is nice.
Happy Daddy's Day!
Oh, what a lovely card.
Open it!
Ah, glitter!
Yes, we used all the glitter.
How wonderful.
Daddy Pig loves glitter. Everyone loves glitter.
Look, it's the Nick Jr. vending machine. We can use these tokens to vend a friend. Who should we play with first? How about Chase?
Let's roll.
His numbers are 7, 2, 6. We're on the case.
Hang on tight.
Hello, Chase.
Look, Ryder, hoof prints. That means Rusty must be right over there. And Mayor Humdinger must be close by too. Poor pony. He's too scared to stop running.
That's why I need you to use your buoy to lasso him.
You got it, Ryder. Yee-haw! It'll be okay, dude. Oh, buoy! Good boy. Now let's bring you back.
But what about me?
Chase, spark out your launcher.
Rough launcher!
If you hit the motor with this magnet, the Bronco should stop.
Help!
On your marks, get set.
Giddy up!
Awesome aim, Chase.
Oh, did I win?
Ready to vend another friend? What about William? His numbers are 4, 8, 6. Jawsome!
Whoa! You found me!
Hello, William!
Oh, hey, William. What brings you here today? My mom said I could adopt a pet.
His song was very convincing.
So, what kind of pet are you looking for, little Gup?
Oh, I don't know. Something adorable. Something silly. Something... Whoa. Hi, little fella. My name's William. Hop and halibut. You like chum yums just like me. It's destiny. Mom, can we adopt this cute little sea piggy?
Oh, sounds like a winner to me.
Yes! And since you love chum yums, I'm gonna name you Chumby.
Let's play again. Want to fly with Skye? Let's enter her numbers. 1, 0, 3.
I'm on it. Let's take to the sky.
Possum! Hello, Skye.
Okay, Ryder, I've got a visual on the turbines. But I only have room for one at a time in my scoop, so I'll have to make 2 trips.
You go first, Horatio.
No, you, please. And remember, no more arguing.
Oh, oui, oui.
Now, Francois!
Yeah!
Fantastic ball, Francois!
Hurry, Skye, before those greedy gulls gorge on his balloons! Oh, no!
Ah, I told you shrimp was best. The seagull settled it.
Oh, that guy. He always has to get the last word.
No, I don't.
All pups on deck. Captain Turbot is falling and he's coming in fast. We need something to catch him. How about my quilt? Good idea. Chase, use your zipline to get on the flounder to help. Aye, aye. Rough, zipline. Here, puppy. Now catch. A little help here, fellas.
Turbits know how to talk to the animals.
Hooray! Let's bring along another buddy. Want to swim with Molly? Her numbers are 1, 6, 8. Fantastic!
Come on, everybody. We're right on schedule.
Hello, Molly.
But I don't know my way around Wonderland at all.
Well, you've certainly come to the right place.
What's that?
It's a map.
Wow, thank you. I need your help. This is a map of Wonderland. We need to find the neighborhood that Allison lives in. To do that, we need to check the zip code on the address. The zip code for Allison's neighborhood is 145. Which neighborhood matches zip code 145 on the address? This one, or this one?
That one! There!
Yes, there's 145. Thanks for your help.
Let's keep playing. Shall we cook up some fun with Tiny Chef? His numbers are 9, 5, 2. Okay.
Woo! Don't worry, I'm bloated.
Hello, Tiny Chef.
Come on, Chef, we gotta go. The pie contest is starting soon.
To the market and fast. But careful. Carefully fast. Oh boy. Careful, everybody. We gotta go over these cobblestones. Easy.
We're nearly there, Chef.
Hey! We have arrived!
Nice driving, Chef. We made it.
Just a reminder, bakers, only a few more minutes until the contest begins.
Come on. Come on, let's go, apple pie. Up and onto the... Oh, no! A perfect apple pie!
You can ask your parents to subscribe to the Nick Jr. YouTube channel for new videos every day. And find more of your favorite shows on TV on Nickelodeon and the Nick Jr. channel.